Think about your favorite memory for a second. The one that feels so real, you never question it. Maybe it was childhood, a person you loved, or one small moment that quietly shaped who you became. Now, here's the uncomfortable part. What if that memory didn't happen exactly the way you remember? This sounds impossible at first, because we imagine memory as a camera recording our lives. But your brain does not press record, and it definitely does not replay the past perfectly. Instead, every time you remember something, your brain quietly rebuilds it from scattered pieces inside your mind. And when those pieces come back together, they don't always fit the same way again. So a memory you trust today may already be a slightly changed version of yesterday's memory. That is why two people can live through the same argument and remember two different stories. One person remembers the words, the other remembers the tone, and both feel completely certain. But here's the strange part. Memory does not save truth. It saves meaning for survival. Your brain keeps what feels important, fills in what is missing, and removes what feels unnecessary. And the most disturbing thing is, when it edits the past, you usually never notice. Scientists have even shown that false memories can be planted into people's minds with enough suggestion. People described fake events with emotion, detail, and confidence, even though those moments never actually.
So now the question becomes personal. How many of your own memories are slightly wrong? The memories that feel strongest are not always the safest, because emotion can bend them. A painful memory can grow sharper, while a comforting one can slowly become softer with time. Because the person who lived that moment is not exactly the person remembering it now. You changed. Your feelings changed. And your brain filters the past through the person you became. That matters, because your identity is built from the memories you believe are true about yourself. If those memories shift even a little, then the story of you shifts with them. And this is where it gets deep. Leans in, because maybe this flaw is not really a flaw. Maybe your brain rewrites certain memories so you can survive pain, fear, and regret better.
Maybe forgetting exact details is not weakness, but protection from carrying everything exactly as it happened. But if memory protects us by changing the past, then what does truth really mean? Is truth the thing that actually happened, or the version your mind allows you to remember? So think carefully now. What is your earliest memory? And how sure are you it is real?